In this video, I'll show you how to record an expense in QuickBooks. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account and open the company you want to use. Next, click plus Create in the top left corner and select Expense. Now, choose the Pay from the drop-down menu or add a new vendor if the payee isn't already in QuickBooks. After that, select the payment account you use to pay for the expense, such as your business checking account or credit card. Next, enter the payment date and the total amount. Now go to the Category Details section and select the expense category that best matches the purchase. For example, office supplies can be categorized under Office Expenses, while business travel can be categorized under Travel Expenses. After that, enter a description if you need to add more details about the purchase. You can also attach a receipt by clicking the Attachment option and uploading the file. Next, review the tax information and make sure the correct amount and category are selected. If the expense needs to be assigned to a customer or project, select the appropriate customer or project before saving. Once everything is correct, click Save and Close. Finally, return to the Expenses section and confirm that the transaction was recorded correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to record an expense in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.